In most IT environments today, level 1 support still handles the bulk of repetitive high-volume requests. Password resets, software access, basic troubleshooting and triage. But that's beginning to shift. We're now seeing the emergence of a new class of AI, Agentic AI, that's capable of executing tasks with context, autonomy, and continuous learning. And in early deployments, it's already replacing much of what level 1 support used to manage. Here's what that transformation looks like in practice. First, we're seeing a major upgrade in triage and prioritization. Agentic AI doesn't just wait for user input. It automatically collects diagnostic data from systems, detects patterns across users, and understands contextual urgency, such as business role or time sensitivity. This allows it to assign priority and route tickets without human input, often before a technician even sees the issue. Second, task execution has become continuous and adaptive. Once an issue is identified, Agentic AI initiates resolution, whether that's resetting a password, unlocking an account, or initiating software provisioning. It interacts with APIs in real time and adapts if something changes mid-process. It's no longer a handoff between detection and action. It's one seamless motion. Third, it improves ticket quality. When human involvement is needed, the AI creates a fully detailed ticket. It includes log data, impacted systems, relevant screenshots, priority level, and even pre-written guidance for resolution. This eliminates the back and forth that typically slows down response times and clogs up queues. A fourth shift is the move from static automation to true agentic decision-making. Unlike traditional scripts or RPA tools that follow rigid instructions, Agentic AI adjusts in real time. It monitors the outcome of each task and makes decisions about whether to escalate, retry, or pivot. This leads to fewer failures and faster resolution across a wide range of common IT scenarios. Fifth, it's introducing voice and multilingual capabilities into frontline support. Voice-enabled AI agents can authenticate users, run common remediations over the phone, and deliver support in any major language. If escalation is required, the full transcript and diagnostic data are automatically passed to a technician, meaning the user never has to repeat themselves. Finally, we're seeing a redefinition of the human role. Agentic AI enables what we can call an autonomous mode for IT support. Technicians are no longer handling routine tickets. They're supervising AI workflows, refining automation, and focusing on system improvements. They have the ability to intervene at any step, but their role becomes more strategic and less reactive. The result is faster resolution, fewer escalations, and a support environment that improves over time. For organizations already deploying this approach, the impact is clear. Incident volume drops, costs fall, and employee satisfaction improves. This isn't theoretical, it's already being implemented across enterprise environments today. And as we look ahead, it's becoming increasingly clear service desks built around manual triage and queue-based escalation are being replaced. What comes next are systems designed to predict issues, resolve them automatically, and learn continuously. That's the shift Agentic AI is driving, and it's well underway.